Rachel.
What is the meaning of this?
Rachel, please, I want you. Please, I want you. I can't live my life without you. Please come. Okay, just follow me. Just follow me. Just follow me, please. Please, okay? Please.
Wanna feel strong. The feeling is real. It's hard to believe it, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love? What I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm hurting. All I want is you. All I want is you. I'm lost. Oh.
Oh my God!
Hey!
Stop it! No,
Wait, what did they do you now? What did they do you? Look, babe, where are you going, babe?
Calm down. What is all this now? What is it now? Babe, Frank he's right. He's 100% right. You do this all the time. Eh?
As if he doesn't know. One day you're going to get us into a mess you can't come out of. What is all this?
Get your girl, oh. I don't like when she talks to me like that, oh. I don't like this.
What has she said that is wrong now?
Why can't someone correct you? Okay, so you're supporting her now. You're supporting her attitude.
Enough of all this, I beg. Listen, I know you don't like me. Ever since I came into his life, you don't like me.
Rachel, please come off it. That's my fiancé you're talking to.
So? Fat amount of here.
Yeah, where are you going?
You're going to follow her too, Abby? You want to follow her now?
More Genado, you can stay in front.
Please. Why? Tell her to go. What? Oh, what is this now? What is all this now? Look at you just. So you're happy? Are you happy now?
Hey, I'm curious about something.
What?
Why is it that you always find fault with everything Richard does? Almost everything. Have you had an encounter with her in the past?
Look, it's nothing. Our spirits just don't match.
Please don't even go there. What do you mean?
I've not had any encounter with her whatsoever. Okay, maybe it's just a me thing. Maybe it's just my thing. Like, nothing really.
Please, just take it easy with her, okay? She's a beautiful girl. She's homely and she's humble. Okay, fine. I know that Frank has always been your childhood friend. But he has got someone now, so let the poor girl breathe.
Okay, fine. Okay? I would try to understand her. Okay, maybe it's just simply because I've not accepted her into our circle yet. No, but I would try, okay?
Please do, okay? And for the records, I didn't like what you did earlier. You dropping them off on the road and then driving. Yes, I didn't want to argue with you or challenge you so that it will not look like I'm disrespecting my man. But please, don't try it next time. It wasn't nice the way you spoke to her.
Okay. Okay, ma. It's fine. Can I please eat these fruits in peace?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. But what?
It's for the police. Don't try that next time, please. Okay? If you keep on with this reckless driving, next time I'm not going to bike with you again. The same car.
Okay, I'm sorry. Eh? Can I please eat? I am famished. Thank you.
But babe, why did you just walk away like that now? Larry was going to drop us home.
Did you just ask me that question? Weren't you at the bar? Didn't you see the way he was looking at me? Staring at me when I was eating like I was eating his money and I didn't deserve to.
At the
And
bar?
the way he talks to me, most times, you don't notice it.
Wait, at the bar? How come I didn't notice anything?
How would you notice? How would you? When you were busy gisting with Janado like she's your girlfriend.
Car, babe, come off it now. We're all friends now. When did this one start?
You know what? I don't think I'm going to do this outing thing with you and him again. Really. I think you need to step up your game and get a new car, since your car is always giving you issues. I'm not comfortable with this thing.
So now he wants to insult me.
I'm not insulting you. It's a statement of fact. Get a new car. Said you were going to order a ride. Should I take Okada?
Leave.
Yeah.
When are you resuming work?
Tuesday.
Okay, that's 3 days from now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, enjoy your little holiday.
I know, right?
Meanwhile, remember my old-time friend Ray? He came back from China yesterday with his fiancée. So we're meant to link up later today at Larry's house.
That's nice. Ray. Yeah, I remember. Alice is a better guy than that Larry.
You and Larry again. You know, if he just has a weird time, I just need to meet people.
You know what? You guys just have fun without me. I'd rather sit this one out.
Why? Because of Larry? Look, if it's about my car, I fixed it. So we're going to use mine and not his.
It's not about the car. You know what? Just forget I said anything. It's not about the car. I just don't want to sit and dine with that guy.
Hey, come on. I know Larry can be annoying, but he's just a joker.
Yeah, he's always been a joker. You know what? Let's talk about this when you get back from work, okay?
Okay, but then I'll be expecting good news, right?
Have a great day at work.
That depends on you. I'll catch you later.
Yeah,
Bye.
The big man himself.
Look at you looking all fresh, huh?
Hello. Hello, Ray. We've been expecting you. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You. Oh, so I believe this must be her.
Yes, this is my wife to be, my fiancée, Kira Joseph.
Just like that. Very fast. See, babe, don't look at the fact that we don't look alike. Oh. But this guy here is my brother. And you are welcome to the family. Why don't you meet my delectable, my beautiful fiancée, Janadel Adiwale.
It's a pleasure having to meet you guys.
Thank you so
I've
much.
heard so much about you all. Maybe I think there's someone missing, right?
Yes, that should be fine.
Ray, my bro! Oh, look at you! You look so good.
Yeah,
And this must be our queen, the lady you can't stop talking about. What's her name again?
Kira.
Karen, it's a pleasure to meet you. Welcome to
Same
the
here.
family.
Thank you.
Welcome, guys.
Look, let's celebrate. Look, my woman had prepared something special for her.
Jenna.
Please have your seats, baby. Let's get this on, huh?
Okay.
You guys should feel at home. It's not my house.
Gucci, why is he calling me? I beg. This wicked man. Hi, babe. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm just here in the room. How are you enjoying your party? Oh, babe, please spare me all that. I don't want to talk about Larry, please. And he's a good person. I hear you. Yeah, sure. Anyways, just have fun, okay? Gist me when you come back. All right. Bye.
Rachel. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
We're not fighting. Okay, I'm sorry about the last time. And every other time that we come. Okay? Look, I won't do it again. And I'm sorry. Accept my apology.
So why did you pick on me all those times? You know you really made me look stupid, right?
I am sorry. Alright?
Apology accepted. Just don't do it again.
Sure. So where are you headed now?
I'm going to the salon to have my pedicure.
Okay, hop in. I'll take you there.
Wait, what car? All your cars that you drive like you're driving a plane? No way. The other day you even made the police chase after us. I'll pass.
Okay. I'm sorry. I promise to drive like a gentleman. Okay? And if you don't like how I'm driving, just ask to stop and I'll drop you off.
Deal.
No, I just wanted to change that.
Why? That's one of my favorite songs.
Oh, I did not know that.
You didn't know that, but you just saw me vibing to it. Don't tell me you're a killjoy.
No, I'm not now. I just wanted to increase the volume. 100.
I'll do it myself.
Wow, he's such a gentleman. You know, same as my Ray. You know, sometimes I just do wonder if this guy's real.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean is that the nice, perfect gentleman. It just beats me how this man grew up in this, corrupt mother's house.
Well, some people grew up with good parental upbringing.
Oh, yes.
So
you're correct, because that's inclusive, trust me.
What of Ray? Is he back from China?
He'll be back by this weekend. Yeah, we spoke some minutes before I got in here.
All right.
So how's my Larry? Because since I got in here, he hasn't arrived.
Larry's fine. He went to the office. He doesn't stay long in the office, just that for him not to be here by now, maybe something is keeping him busy.
Oh, I see.
Should be back soon.
Okay.
My friend.
So, do you care for a drink? I don't blame you.
But I feel strong. The feeling is real. It's hard to believe it, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love? What I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm hurting. All I want is you. All I want is you.
No, that's fine.
You are relaxing, aren't you leaving?
No, I just want to rest for a bit and later I'll come.
Alright. See ya.
Cause it captivated my soul. Oh, yeah. Always wanna be with you. Stand by you every day. So please don't let me go. Don't let me go.
Baby home? Babe!
But I feel strong. The feeling is real. It's hard to believe it, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love, what I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm hurting.
What's up? Where are you? Still at the salon? Oh wow. I had to come back home. I forgot an important paper. Yeah, I'll come back. From work, I'll be back here. Yeah. Alright, just take care of yourself, okay? I'll see you later.
Don't care who I'm hurting. All I want is you. All I want is you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. Cause the feeling is uncontrollable.
Larry,
Sure.
don't tell me you've been here for the past 2 hours that I've been inside.
Oh, wow. Man, I must have slept off. Sorry.
Slept off. Or you intentionally parked here to wait for me to be done with my pedicure.
Oh, no. Why would I do that now? Come on, look, I had a long week, okay? So I must have just been thinking and just dozed off, okay? But since you're here, let me drop you now.
Listen, young man, if you're doing this for reconciliation, I told you I've already forgiven you. Besides, you're a really bad actor. You know I saw you, right? You saw me and you pretended to be asleep.
Okay. Oh, yeah, you don't catch me. Hmm? But can I please take you home now?
You this man. So, thank you for acting like my boyfriend and bodyguard for today.
No, it's my pleasure. Anything for your friend.
Okay, have a nice day. And say hi to Jenna.
Oh, most definitely. And yeah, tell Frank I stop by, okay?
All right.
No, wait, hold on. I got this.
I don't care who I'm hurting. All I want is you. All I want is you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost.
I was trained better.
Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. This part of me feels strong for you. Oh, and I'm not gonna let it go. Cause it captivated my soul. Oh, yeah. Always wanna be with you. Stand by you every day. So please don't let me go.
So you said Karen came by the house today.
Yes, she did. She came, she waited for you, but unfortunately she got a call from the office and then she had to leave.
Oh, work was really hectic today. Yeah, and I saw Rachel today.
You did?
Yes, I did.
I see why her name had to pop up on your lips.
Well, I apologized to her and she accepted my apologies.
Oh, that's so nice of her.
Okay, yes, and I promise to not be a reckless driver anymore. I promise to obey traffic lights. And I promise to listen to policemen.
Wow, that's good news. Oh, please. Hey, Joe. Better keep to your promise. Okay? Because I know how troublesome you can be on the highway. You can be such a hawk. But you can be a good boy sometimes.
Wow. Okay. So you just called me a hawk and a good boy at the same time.
No.
Okay. Nice. Nice.
I didn't mean it in that way.
Nice one. Nice one. Okay, so is that a bribe kiss now? Because Judas betrayed Jesus with a kiss.
Wait. Did Judas kiss Jesus on the lips or on his cheek? Are you trying to say that about Judas?
No, I'm not saying that now. Serious. Come here.
Stop, Joe.
So how did your day go today?
It went well.
How many men told you how beautiful you are? 'Cause you know you look absolutely stunning.
Well, Larry did.
Wait, my Larry? Larry, my friend?
Yeah, he did. I mean, I saw him on my way to the salon today to do my pedicure, and he apologized for being a silly boy. Followed me there and, offered to sit there, and he waited for me till I finished. Can you imagine?
My Larry?
Yes, he did.
He waited for you at the salon? I can't believe this.
He did. I just guess he was in such a good mood today.
I'm in shock, really. I wonder what that boy is up to.
I wonder.
He has time for that, Sha. If I were the one that came to the salon, my boss would have called me within 2 minutes of being there. Hey, come on, you know how tight it is at work now. That manager, Mr. Anthony, does not give me breathing space. Okay, you know what? Next week I'll take off 3 days so I can spend time with you. My shorty, my queen,
please,
my baby.
I don't care who I'm wanting. All I want is you. All I want is you.
What? This guy is still here? I thought he was at the estate gate. How did he get here? Sorry. You've been here for over an hour.
Yeah, that's true.
I hope this is not what I'm thinking.
What do you think?
What are you doing here? Why are you parked here? What is going on?
Look, I just want to show you something. Now when you get there, you can think whatever you want.
You know what? Show it to Jenadel. You know what? I am not interested or comfortable in this sudden attraction towards me. And I think you need to leave.
Hop in now. Look, when you get there, you can think whatever it is you want.
I am asking you to leave and you're asking me to hop in.
Please, it's a gentleman's request. Please.
Larry?
Look, I'm clean, oh. I'm clean. I swear, I have nothing. I'm clean.
You know what? I am heading out, so at my convenience, I would call you, okay?
That's fine.
I need to go.
That'll be fine.
Lost. Oh, I'm lost. 'Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. I'm lost. Oh,
Listen, what I'm saying is that this country is in a huge mess. Did you hear what the minister said about the inflation rate?
Huge mess is an understatement. The economy is in jeopardy.
Big words for our country.
I mean, that's true. You can see the exchange rate is crazy. In a short period of time. It's only God that will see what's in this country.
Harry, are you okay? It seems like you traveled abroad from your living room.
Baby, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. It's just the workload, from the office yesterday was crazy.
Yesterday was Saturday. Your firm doesn't open on Saturdays.
Oh, it's true. It's true. Probably maybe Friday. It's on Friday.
Hey, you were here with me on Friday. You didn't go anywhere. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. I'm just really stressed. I'm just really stressed. Yeah.
Hey, it's fine. It's probably thinking of unnecessary.
Hey, don't start. Don't start. Don't cause a fight.
It's okay. It's okay. She's right. I have no conscience.
She's alright. I think he just needs some rest.
True that. I'll probably get some rest. Huh? Look, I'll leave you guys and just get some rest upstairs, okay? Worry out. I'll see you guys later, huh?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, Jenna, what do you have in the kitchen now?
Sema.
Ring it now.
Rachel, come and help me.
Oh, sure.
What's happening?
What happened to your car? My car, I don't know. It's just stopped working. Whether it's the, I don't know. I've been here for a very long time. I'm so exhausted.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Have you called Larry to come help you out or pick you up at least?
Yes, I did. And he promised to send his mechanic down here to help me fix the car.
Okay, good.
But it's been more than 10 minutes.
But did you give the mechanic the address of the spot?
Yes, I did.
You did? Okay, good. So lock up the car, join us, let's drop you home. Then when the mechanic is done, he'll bring the car to you. How about that?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Are you sure the car is going to be fine here?
Sure. It will be fine. But for now, your safety is of utmost importance to us, okay?
Exactly.
Come on, let's go.
Huh.
Lock up.
Thank you.
Lock up.
Maybe, why don't you just help out with the car?
Oh, sure.
To lock the car?
Sure. Larry, Rachel is really looking good. I can't help but notice.
True, I like that. Yeah, I saw it on the blog, so yeah.
Frank is lucky. I mean, he got his spec this time.
She looks wise. What? What? She looks okay.
I just don't think so. Yeah, our minimum wage is the same thing with the Spain for the past 30 years. It's crazy. How does it make sense?
Yeah, she is. I mean, every man gets your own spec.
perfect for me.
I like it, yeah.
Mine too is perfect. Can't you see her smiling at me? Perfect.
Why do I feel they're gossiping about me? Why do I think that? Because Larry just pointed at me.
Guys, we're out now. Let's have a joint conversation. What are you guys talking about?
Are you done with your political discussion with Jenna there? Always talking about Nigeria. Always complaining about Nigeria. Nothing will change. I hear you.
You do.
Congratulations.
Cheers.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to believe in the country.
Yeah, exactly.
Why is she suddenly so attractive? I know I didn't like her at first, or maybe I was just being distant. I can't betray Jennadel's love. She loves me so much, and yet I can't help these feelings I'm having towards Rachel. Maybe I should tell her. Maybe she reacts in a way that would, let my mind go off her. I think that's the best thing I'd do.
I am your friend's fiancé, for crying out loud, and I'm not comfortable with the fact that you're just coming on to me so strongly. What is this?
I think I'm getting used to you.
What? You don't need to get used to me, like I said. I am your friend's fiancé. It's not right. You don't need to get used to me.
I think I'm falling in love with you. I can't help it anymore. I think about you all the time.
Larry, what is this? Do you know what you're saying to me would hurt Jenadel? Yes, it will crush her. Besides, I've noticed you've had your eyes on me all this while, but I just chose to ignore you.
Look, I like you, alright? And I know you like me too.
I can't deny the fact that you're good looking and everything a woman needs, and so is Frank. My Frank.
It's fine, I just thought that you know.
Thanks for letting me know. At least it's good to know that someone else aside Frank loves me.
No problem. It's great. Thanks.
Yeah, so I'll just go.
Feel strong. The feeling is real. It's hard to believe in, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love, what I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm wanting. All I want is you. All I want is you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. 'Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. 'Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. This part of me feels strong for you. Oh, and I'm not gonna let it go. Oh.
What is happening to me? Everything he does attracts me. Seeing him alone makes me want to dive on him. I tried everything possible to pretend not to feel this attraction I have for him. My heart has always been there since the day I saw him. Am I being misled by my heart? No, I can't do this to Frank. He's always been there for me at all times. He loves me and adores me. Why is my heart tormenting me this way?
Rachel.
Yeah. Hi.
What's going on? You have been calling me.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Sure. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Where did your mind go? What were you thinking of?
Nothing serious. I was just thinking of some stuff from the past. It's just the past, yeah.
The past, you say? Listen, it's the past. So let it go. Just focus on your future, alright?
Sure.
Alright. You should get some sleep. It's late.
Yeah, I know, right? Good night.
Larry, concerning what we discussed about Frank, what's your own way of support?
See, I'm a little low on cash right now. I invested a lot in the last deals. The company is proposing 100 acres, and investors haven't signed up. Now, see, maybe if the investors sign up, I'll be able to gather something. But for now, my hands are tied.
Larry, you that I know your hands are tied. Larry, I bet you have over 50 million in your account, Larry.
What makes you say so?
I could hack and check.
Don't do that.
No, I could do that.
Don't. Look, I know you can.
Good.
Okay, but first of all, it's illegal. And I don't want to host a lawsuit against you. No, you're my friend now.
Okay, so we'll just wait until you have enough.
But this should stay with you.
Sure. You want to hack my account?
Do that.
Hack it now. Hack it.
But what about the 10 million you're earning?
See, look, I told you I will pay now. Just
Larry,
wait.
You better pay me.
I will pay.
All right.
What's going on? What are you thinking about? You look so serious.
No, it's nothing. Actually, I just stood up to stretch my body.
Are you sure? Is it about what you were thinking of last night?
No. I was thinking, right? What if we leave this place, like change our location, go somewhere else, like some other town, or...
We should leave here to another place? Why? When did you start thinking of this?
Babe, please. I'm just saying,
Babe,
we should change location.
Listen, chill. If we're going to live here, we're going to move into our house. Can't you see my friends Larry and Ray in their own mansions? Come on. We can't just move and enter another small house. Come on now. You know what? We're going to talk about this later. I have a meeting by 8 a.m. with my MD, Mr. Anthony, and you know that man is crazy.
Wanna feel strong, the feeling is real. It's hard to believe it, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love, what I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm hurting. All I want is you. All I want is you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. 'Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. 'Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. This part of me feels strong for you. Oh, and I'm not gonna let it go.
Hey, Rachel. How you doing?
What are you doing here? Are you stalking me?
Sorry, my car was overheating, so I thought I'd just let it cool off for a bit.
How convenient, overheating just right in front of where I work.
No, are you? Wow, that's sheer coincidence. Oh, nice. Alright.
Larry, what do you want?
I just said my car was overheating. That's why I'm
Seriously now, Larry. What do you want?
I want you, Rachel. Look, I've fallen in love with you. Right? From the very first day I saw you, I knew I always wanted you, but I just put up that facade to make you hate me, to make it maybe better for me not to want you that much. But right now, I can't help it anymore. I love you.
My God, I'm in deep mess.
No. You're not in any mess.
Why do you think I kissed you back the other day? It's because I feel exactly the same way.
Then it's our hearts connecting us.
Larry, you need to stay away from me.
Can you? Can you stay away from us?
I will try my best to stay away from you.
Rachel. Rachel, now. See. Rachel.
Wanna feel strong. The feeling is real. It's hard to believe it, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love? What I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm wanting. All I want is you. All I want is you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. 'Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. 'Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. This part of me feels strong for you. Oh, and I'm not gonna let it go.
Why is he not picking? I thought he said he's going to be home soon, the last time I spoke to him. Pick. Why is he not picking my calls? Pick. Not again.
Rachel,
What is the meaning of this?
please, I want you. Please, I want you. I can't live my life without you. Please, come. Okay, just follow me. Just follow me, please. Please, okay? Please.
Wanna feel strong. The feeling is real. It's hard to believe it, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love? So please don't let me go. Don't let me go. But I feel strong. The feeling is real. It's hard to believe it, but I can't hide it anymore. Could this be love, what I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm hurting. All I want is you.
Where is Rachel? She doesn't keep out this late now. Let me call Janade, or maybe she went. Nah, let me not call. I mean, she's a grown lady. She's probably just out having fun or something. I'm just worried. She'll be fine. If she's not here by 9, I'll call.
Man, you have killed me.
No, don't say that. No one will know of this. It's between us, okay?
Don't touch me. Just leave me alone. Take me home right now.
Relax, okay?
Take me home.
Okay, I will take you home, okay? But just between us, okay? Just keep this between us, okay? Everything's okay?
Take me home.
I'll take you. I'll take you.
Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Frank?
Yeah?
Why is Larry sounding tense on the phone?
How do you mean? Oh, speak of the devil.
Hey.
You're welcome.
Bro, you look shitty. Are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just business related. Ray, how is business?
Oh, business is good. I'll be traveling to China by the weekend. I have a long overdue shipment.
Your business is going well.
I thank God. I mean,
That's
good.
That's great.
Good.
That's good.
Larry, on the phone earlier, you said you wanted to tell me something. What's up?
It's nothing. It's business for another day. Ray's going to China. We should celebrate now.
Are you sure?
Wait, guys. I hope I'm not disturbing anything.
No. Waiter!
Okay.
Waiter, please. My guy's going to
Waiter,
China.
come fast now.
You.
Businessman.
I'll be doing that. I'm good. Yeah.
You think so?
I'm beginning to think towards that direction.
That's not true. Maybe that's not true.
If it's not true, then what is the problem? What is really the problem? I just feel like you're taking me for granted.
Honey, no. Don't say that. Don't say that again. I'm not taking you for granted. No one is taking you for granted.
Okay, if you're not taking me for granted, then what is really the problem? Look, we're practically living like we're married. But then, we're not even married. It's not like you have even done small something on top of my head.
Okay, baby. Just give me some time. I promise I'll fix us up. I'll fix this all up, eh?
Okay, if you say so.
That's my girl. Hmm?
I've always been the patient girl. I'm just the patient.
Come here. Come, Joe. Hmm? Come. Look at your nose. Look at your nose.
Oh God, what am I doing? I'm being carried away by my emotions. I look more like a betrayer now. to someone who really loves me. Anytime I see Frank, my heart breaks me. How do I reconcile that I slept with his friend, someone he trusts so much? My God.
Guys, see in today's exercise. Training us. I still have body pains.
No. You just have to be consistent. Listen, back then in China, I used to go to the gym even at weekends.
Sorry, Jackie Chan.
Don't be only Jackie Chan. But really, Frank, okay? You need to focus on this exercise stuff, okay? It'll help you stay fit.
Simple. I can try, but that my MD. He's always calling me out during the weekends.
Listen, Frank, it's high time you left your work and invest in yourself. Self-employed is even better than all this your 9 to 5.
Sure.
You know they when they joked me like before.
Look, that history now. Focus on another.
I'll give the shots.
You should. You should. I mean, I'll support you financially and all that. But it's not for free. Not for free. Not for free.
I bet more come up for you. I beg. Rachel, am I dreaming? You are here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Look, it's a surprise to see you.
I'm here to see Janadel.
My fiance.
Also, you knew you had a fiance when you did what you did to me. Anyways, I'm here to see her. I want to tell her everything.
Are you out of your mind? Do you know what this would do to me, you, and Frank? This is not even about my fiance. It's about the friendship I have with Frank.
Oh, so you knew you had a friendship to protect with Frank and you did what you did? You forced yourself on me?
No, you will not say that. You gave yourself to me.
That's how you want to put it, right? Janadel!
Wait. So, if she was really around, are you really willing to spill the beans?
Yes. She deserves to know the kind of man you are. A cheat.
Look, listen. We can sort this out, okay? Come on, man. Just don't like that. Rachel, please, okay? Come on.
Don't you dare touch me.
Where are you going to? But are you really looking for Rachel? Rachel, please, not. I told you. Rachel.
Forgot my phone in the room. Not again. Oh. So I have to drive this long distance again because of my phone. Oh boy. Keep forgetting my phone like an old woman.
Where is she?
What are you doing? Why are you hoping to her?
Just want to see Janadel.
She's not around. I told you she's not around. She's not way to Abuja already. Her flight leaves for 10:30.
In that case, I have to leave.
Rachel, stop.
Larry, you stop. Don't make any attempts to make this any worse than it already is.
What I feel is strong.
Rachel, you are here.
Feeling is real.
And I'm here.
It's hard to believe.
I want to be with you.
But I can't hide it anymore.
We're destined to
Could this
be.
be love, what I'm feeling? I don't care who I'm hurting.
No.
All I want is you.
You're destined to be with Janadel and I'm destined to be with Frank.
I'm lost.
Rachel, come on. Okay? Really?
Cause the feeling is uncontrollable. Oh, I'm falling for you. I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. Cause the feeling is uncontrollable.
What? What nonsense sorry? What do you want to apologize for?
I didn't know your phone was inside.
You know what? I don't have time for this nonsense apology of yours. Okay? I have a flight to catch in 45 minutes. When I come back, you can tell me whatever nonsense you want to tell me.
You call me when you get there.
Love you.
Rachel. Rachel. She's gone. Rachel.
So bro, this new business I want to do, the head capital is about 35 million naira. Meanwhile, a smaller part of the capital is about 50 million naira. Ray, you and I both know I don't have that kind of money.
Frank, this is a very brilliant business idea. I love it. I'm impressed. This is really good. Frank, why didn't you invest your money in this one instead of the other one that you ended up getting duped? And I warned you, but you turned it deaf.
I know. See, but this time, I have everything planned out. Trust me, bro. So what do you say?
Frank, this is what I'm going to do, all right? I am going to sponsor you with goods worth over 40 million naira from China because I'll be traveling this weekend. Yes, so you start the business, we see how it goes.
40 million naira.
40 million naira. But...
Bro! Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you. But I have 35 of your annual profit.
35.
35. I'm not greedy, come on.
Bro, I can give you 70%.
No, 35 is fine. 35 is fine.
Thank you so much, bro. you. I appreciate. See my babe. Babe. Let me show you the good news. See, Ray just promised to invest 40 million naira worth of goods in my importation business. Did you hear what I said? He said he will invest 40 million naira.
Wow, yeah, I heard you. Good evening, Ray. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll be inside.
Frank, it's okay. She might be having a bad day, okay? Call me on Friday as we expect. Yeah, call me on Friday. All right. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Babe, what's the meaning of what you did out there? I was trying to share my good news with you and you were just ignoring me. What's that?
Babe, please. I am tired. I just need some space and peace.
Space? Peace? What's going on with you? Why are you acting weird?
But you just heard me say I'm tired, right? I had a long day. Please. Can I have my space now? And my peace? Please?
You had a long day. Okay, talk to me then.
What do you want me to say? Oh, babe, please. Please. I need space. Thank you.
Wow. All right, have your rest, have your peace. What? Just sleep here.
Baby,
Yes.
When do you intend telling your friends about our wedding preparations?
I intend telling them this weekend during our usual boys hangout. But I want it to come as a surprise.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
So you're that kind of a guy, actually,
What kind of a guy?
that loves surprises?
Of course I do. Or you want me to show you?
Yes!
Alright, I'll do that some other time. I told you I was going to see Frank this morning, right?
Oh,
Considering the proposal he submitted a few days ago.
yes, you did.
It's actually a nice one. It's actually a beautiful business idea.
Oh, wow.
And I'll be sponsoring him with some goods from China, imported goods. Yeah.
So, how much are we looking at?
35% each on every profit he makes.
I don't understand. Why 35%? No, baby. I just feel like, to me, it is very low. Because you should be taking like 70%. Why 35%?
Come on, babe. I know. Frank is my friend. I'm just doing this to help out.
So that's why you're taking 35%?
It's fine, babe.
And not 70?
It's fine. Come on. Let's sleep.
Okay.
It's bedtime.
If you insist.
Yeah. I insist.
What is it? Why are you taking my back like that?
Sleep.
Are you sure you want to sleep or because you're taking me? So what do you want to do? Well, you don't know what?
Wow, that's really good from Ray. 40 million naira worth of goods.
Honestly, it's like a dream come true.
I mean, I'm surprised.
I'm more than surprised. See, I'm just praying to God that everything comes through. Let the goods arrive here safely. That's all.
Amen. But tell me, any conditions attached?
Well, just 35% share.
35%? Wow, that's so nice of him.
Right?
That means you have automatically joined the million gang.
Well, you can say that again. Cheers to that. Hey, that's massive, man. Wow. This calls for a celebration. Huh?
Definitely. Definitely.
So, what of my baby girl, Rachel?
Oh, Rachel is good. She's just gonna do some stuff at home and then she's going to go to the hospital later today.
Hospital? Is everything okay?
Yeah, she complained about a slight headache, but it's nothing too serious. Don't worry about it.
Let's celebrate.
Yes.
Where's the champagne, Henny?
It's not bring more
Henny. The latest millionaire in town.
I'm finished. I'm finished. I've betrayed myself. God. What a terrible mistake I've made.
What is wrong with you, Rachel?
Oh my God. What do I tell Frank?
What happened?
How do I tell him?
Tell him what? Talk to me. What happened?
I'm pregnant.
Eh? You're pregnant? Lord jeez.
God.
Hey. Wow. It's really not a problem. Why not tell Frank first? Then let's hear what he's got to say. Or is he not the father of the unborn child?
And what's that supposed to mean? Of course he's the father. It's just, I am not ready to be a mother yet. It's so much work. I don't think Frank is ready to be a father yet. So, I just don't know how to...
Hey, baby.
Hey, honey.
Hey.
I'm fine.
Hi.
Rachel, what's up? You look rather pale. Is everything okay?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Rachel is pregnant and she's scared to tell Frank that she's pregnant because Frank is not ready to be a father and she is also not ready to be a mother.
Come on, Fitz. It's okay. Listen, I will talk to Frank and we'll sort this all out. Huh?
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine.
You didn't have to say that.
You said you look pale.
You didn't have to say that.
Sorry, I didn't know when my lips just started talking.
God. God.
I'm so sorry.
See what I've done to myself. See what I've done to myself. What I've done to myself. I can't believe I'm in this. I can't believe I'm going through this. Oh, cause it wasn't part of my plans. Oh yeah. Yes, it wasn't part of my plan. I allowed myself to be carried away with my emotions. Oh, no going back, no going front. Oh, I'm in mess right now. Ooh, yeah. And who's gonna save me? Who's gonna let me out? Oh, yeah. Cause I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. What a life.
Larry!
Yeah, Rachel. Sorry, babe. What's up?
What did you call me? Did I hear Rachel? Wait. Wait. Did you just call me Rachel?
Babe.
Did you just... No, don't babe me. Don't babe me. This is the second time you're calling me Rachel. The last time I ignored you and here you are calling me Rachel again. What is it with you and Rachel?
I'm sorry, okay? There is no connection between me and Rachel now, eh? It was an honest mistake.
Oh, honest mistake? Seriously? The next time you will call me Rachel in this house, you go explain tire. I will not let it pass like that. You go explain tire. What is it? Do I look like Rachel? Do I look like Rachel?
I'm sorry, okay?
Just call me Rachel next time. You go explain tire. I don't go leave you like that. What's it beyond this now?
Rachel, don't do this now. Eh? Don't do this.
I don't understand. Don't do what? Didn't I tell you? Frank hasn't touched me for 2 months.
For reasons best known to him, for sacred reasons. I don't know.
How is that even possible? You know what? Okay, fine. Okay? Seduce him. Huh? Seduce him so he can cover it up for both of us. This thing is way above our heads, oh. Nobody see reason to anything we say.
You should have thought about it before sleeping with me.
Look, we are both on the same side. Eh? We are both at fault. We just need to find a way out.
A way out? What do you mean? What do you mean by way out?
We need to get rid of the pregnancy.
Huh, never. I am not aborting my child. You hear me? Never.
Okay, what do you want? Eh? What do you want? What do you want me to do? Eh? What do you want me to do?
I don't know. It's left for you to figure out.
Okay, wait. Do you want me to marry you?
Huh. Never. That's not even an option. What are you saying?
Then what do you want?
Like I said, Larry, it's left for you to figure it out and let me know. Baby daddy.
Not going back, not going front. Oh, I'm in mess right now. And who's gonna save me? Who's gonna let me out?
Oh, this is good news. I will have to call him now. Hey man, your peppers are ready. Yes. So this weekend you'll be on your way to China to bring home your first merchandise. Yes. Oh yeah, let me officially welcome you to the business club. No, it's okay. Anything for your friend Tom, brother. Come on, it's okay, it's fine. Yes. Oh, no. I haven't told anybody. He just called me now, so I decided to call you first. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah, it's okay. All right, I will see you later then. Yeah, take care, man. Wow, this is good news. I'm so happy for him. So happy.
Guess what? So I don't get for China. Visa, everything has been handled. I'm leaving next week. I can't wait.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you. See, Ray is planning a dinner tomorrow for us to celebrate. So, I'm going to send you some money. I want you to wear your best, most beautiful, most sexy dress, okay? You know how you do now?
Yeah, it's Larry going to
Of course, Larry's going to there. So, don't tell me you're surprised.
Oh, no, I was just kidding.
Good, that's what I want to hear. Can't wait to see what I'm so happy. China!
Babe. What was the meaning of what you did in my dinner? And why were you being so rude to Janara? What did she ever do to you?
What did she ever do to me? Weren't you there? Didn't you see what she did? Every time we're together, this girl tries to steal all your attention to herself.
Oh.
It's annoying.
So that's what your nasty attitude was for. Because you're feeling insecure and jealous.
Mm-hmm. What if I was?
Wow. Alright. Meanwhile, I was seeing you and Larry still glances at each other, but because I chose not to talk, I chose to ignore.
No, we weren't. Okay, fine. Even if that was the case, even if he was just staring at me, it was probably because I looked good, nothing else. But Jenna Dell, it's so obvious and glaring. Every time we're together, she just tries to like steal you away. I hate it.
I don't like what you did at all. You got me really mad. Like, you even got Ray angry. That's my sponsor, you know.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, fine. I will apologize to him tomorrow.
And Jenna Dell?
I'll apologize to her at my convenience.
As long as you do.
I'm sorry. Dave, I'm sorry.
Call me a Jerry. Larry! Larry! Oh. Sorry, I just barged in. I was pulling up, no one answered.
It's okay. I was in the kitchen and I forgot to let it.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Please have a seat.
Thanks. Oof. So, where's Larry? He's upstairs, yeah?
No, he traveled to Abuja. He got an urgent call. A client of his came in from Saudi Arabia, so they had to close the deal.
So more money for you guys.
So, what brings you here this morning?
Oh, yeah. I came to apologize about what happened between you and Rachel the other day over dinner. So, she doesn't have the courage to tell you yet, but I felt I should try and help out.
I'm not even angry. You know, I felt she was only trying to protect her interests and her handsome man.
Thank you for the compliment. Well,
So, I was actually making breakfast and it's almost ready, so I think we should have breakfast together.
I'm kind of late for work. Maybe I should just start heading.
No, I insist.
You know, I never realized how attractive you were.
Mm-hmm. Don't tell me you have eyes on me.
I mean, I'm just admiring God's creation.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, babe.
Hey, are you just calling?
Yeah, are you okay? Why the shop?
You scared me. I wasn't expecting to see you.
I'm sorry, babe. Okay? I'm sorry. It's okay. Just get some water, okay? See you later.
I would like to see you some other time, all right?
Oh, really? Okay, I'll just make our time and I'll let you know. But why do? I hope there's no problem.
Well, you know better. You know better.
Okay, I promised Frank I was going to come apologize to you over my actions the other night. So, yeah, I'm glad I've been able to do that.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I am not angry. But talking about Frank, have you heard from him since you
Oh,
traveled?
sure. He's called me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's fine. I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
I'll be expecting your call.
Oh, sure. Bye. Why was he staring at me like that, like he knows something? Or has Larry gone ahead to tell him something and he's out here acting like he's unaware? I'm going to have
Oh my gosh. Baby, your phone is ringing. Baby, your phone is ringing. Oh, it's Rachel. Why is she calling you at this late hour of the night?
I don't know. Let me find out.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, good evening. We are fine. Yeah, she's fine. You haven't heard from him since then? I'm sure he's fine. Relax, okay? In the morning, I will have to reach out to someone over there to find out how he's doing. Okay? Yeah, he's fine, I'm sure. He's fine. Alright.
Baby, is everything okay?
Yeah, it's... Actually, Rachel, she is calling to find out if Frank is fine. She hasn't heard from him since he left.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Then I think you should have to reach out to anyone who can reach out to him.
Yeah, I'll do that in the morning.
Big one, my love. Do not forget, I'm going to Dubai next week. And I will need you to help me with my preparations over there. Please.
It's done already. Alright. All hands are on deck for the arrival of my queen.
Yay! Thank you so much.
You're welcome, baby.
Now you see why I love you, right?
I love you too.
You're just the best.
I know. Alright, I need to go back to sleep then.
Okay, baby.
Good night.
I'm just trying to... Oh, night.
Alright.
I'll check on some gowns that I really love so much. Interesting.
So, babe, have you seen Rachel lately?
Rachel? Why are you asking me about Rachel?
Why are you upset? It's just an innocent question. After all, she's your best friend's fiancé. So he's not around doesn't mean you can't check up on her.
You're right. But it's not my duty.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll check up on her. I'll reach out to her.
I know you will. I trust you.
Which one is I know you will, you trust me? Why are you acting so suspicious?
I'm not acting suspicious. Yeah, the one that is... I don't know what is wrong with you now. You see, why are you paralleling? Yeah. Have you seen Ray?
Oh yeah, I saw him yesterday. He said his fiancé is going to Dubai to do some shopping. You know the wedding is at hand already.
Yeah, that sounds like it's going to be a very big wedding.
Yeah, it
Well,
does.
I am here if they need my help.
Oh, that's cool. They're coming in later this evening, so you get to see them and talk again.
And Richard too, huh?
Awesome.
There's something he told me that has been disturbing me.
Oh, wow. Please, share it with me, please.
It is actually about his health, and I'm sure you're aware of it.
Yeah, that's about him being impotent. I know. And I know he's also taking his medications and he will be fine. He will get better. I know that.
The day he had this accident that caused all this. We were supposed to go for our basketball training together. I was supposed to go with him and Larry in my car. But he didn't show up. Larry, on the other hand, was dropped off at the training ground by his father. We were at the training ground when we got the news that he was involved in an accident. Sometimes I blame myself for all this because Frank never liked basketball. I forced him to develop an interest in basketball.
Hey, it's okay. You don't have to blame you. It's life. Okay, some people get unlucky. It's just life. Okay, you don't have to blame yourself. It is not your fault. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I will advise you be kind and patient with him, please.
Yes,
He's
I
my
am.
friend.
I am. I always am.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for coming.
Take care.
Yes,
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. You
Bye.
take care. Bye.
Hey, Larry. Welcome. I'm good. Hi.
Rachel. Come on now. Are you still angry with Larry?
No, she's not. Okay, we actually brought Rachel out, so she will miss Frank a lot.
Well, that's good. That's really good. Really good.
I used to check on Rachel.
Oh, I must have forgotten. But look at her now. She's looking good, all ill and healthy, even pretty, and even when Frank is not around. Huh? That's good.
You are around.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Oh, come on, Fitz. She was just only joking. Why are you taking it serious?
Larry, don't tell me you're becoming hot-tempered again.
No. Look, that was the old me, okay? I'm a new guy. I'm changed, all right?
I hear you. Okay, so, guys, let's celebrate. Let's, waiter!
Yeah, I want to.
Okay, sure. All right, no problems. Waiter! Sir! Come, please.
Richard, what do you want me to do? You can't keep this child. You just can't. I have begged you to get rid of it or do something about it.
Something like what? Are you trying to sit here and pretend that you don't know that your friend, Frank, is impotent?
He is? How? I don't understand.
Oh, you don't know? I'm sure he didn't tell you because he perceived you to be a betrayer.
Rachel, look, what do you want? What do you want me to do? I can't marry you. I can't leave Janelle for you.
I am not asking you to marry me. I will raise this baby by myself.
Rachel, no, You can't do that.
You know what? When I'm ready to talk more on this issue, I know where to find you.
Rachel.
For now, I need to go.
Come on now. Oh.
Myself to be carried away with my emotions. Oh, no going back, no going front. Oh, I'm in mess right now. Ooh, and who's gonna save me? Who's gonna let me out? Oh, yeah. Cause I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy.
Okay, oh yeah. Ray told me Frank is in Nigeria, so he's going to be in town pretty soon. He just want to clear up his goods at the seaport.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Frank is in town.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
You seem quite excited. Hey, babe, do not let Rachel catch you. Remember the last time.
Please.
Okay.
Leave that sheep in wolf's clothing.
Why would you call her that?
My concern is Frank, okay? I just want him to come back successfully without any issue. That's all.
Gina, I am suspecting you.
Because
you're giving this arrival too much concern.
Well, you are right. What is wrong with it? After all, Frank is a very nice guy. A very, very nice guy.
I see. Please do not change, actually.
How was your trip to Dubai? And don't tell me you came back without buying any gift for me.
You don't trust me again? I got you something. I got you your head.
Rachel, please. Don't do this. Okay, this is a disgrace to me. A disgrace to my reputation. I can't marry you. I already have a fiancé.
Oh, you already have a fiancé? You knew all of this when you were chasing after someone else's fiancé. Not just anybody, your best friend. What a man. Well, this is a secret between us. But very soon, it will no longer be a secret. Just get ready for what I'm about to do to you.
Rachel.
When you're done, please get out of my car.
See what I've done to myself. See what I've done to myself. What I've done to myself. I can't believe I'm in this. I can't believe I'm going through this. Oh, cause it wasn't part of my plans. Oh yeah. Yes, it wasn't part of my plan. I allowed myself to be carried away with my emotions. Oh, no going back, no going front. Oh, I'm in mess right now. Oh, and who's gonna save me? Who's gonna let me out? Oh, yeah. Cause I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. What a life, what a life, what a life, what a life, oh, what a life, what a life, what a life, oh, what a life, ooh, what a life, oh, what a life. You have it all, but still won't allow your friends to breathe at all. What a selfish life. Oh, would I say, what do you stand to gain? Oh, what a life, 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 what a life.
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house?
So who's the question for? Me? Or your unborn child?
Shh! My girlfriend is around, eh? Do you want her to hear us?
So what if she's around?
What do you mean by that?
Now you listen to me. I think it's time she knows about this. Because I'm 3 months gone and I don't even know what to tell Frank. Very soon I'll begin to show. You better tell me what to do or I'll tell everybody.
Are you normal? You want to be inside trouble? See, come, let's go. See, let's go. We'll talk about this somewhere else.
Oh, please.
Come now, let's go. We'll talk about this somewhere else now. Eh?
No need for that.
Hey, what are you saying?
Are you dumb? I said I heard everything. Congratulations to you, Papa Larry, aka Baba Ibeji. Your best friend's fiancé is pregnant for you. And as for you, young lady, you're not ashamed of yourself. You had the guts to walk into this house with that bastard in your belly.
What? Would you stand there and watch her call your child a bastard?
Shut up. Just keep quiet there. I beg. I'm sorry. I never wanted it to get to this. I never knew it to get to this now, eh?
Well, it did. Okay? And as for you, you can have him. You've always pretended not to like him. Meanwhile, you call at our backs and you keep having sex with him. That baby in your belly is cursed.
I know, Jenna, stop it. What? Eh? Jenna, stop it. Eh? You don't curse an unborn child. It's wrong. Please, I'm sorry. Eh? I'm sorry. Look, I told her to get rid of it, but she refused. I was nothing I could do about it. Eh? I'm sorry.
You cheating bastard. I knew everything. Everything. All along I knew everything. I just wanted to be very sure.
How? How do you know she was pregnant for me?
Okay. The day she came to this house, crying that she was pregnant, I saw the way the both of you looked at each other. Then you went upstairs, I followed you, and then I overheard you lamenting on the phone. That same night, I took your phone and I went through it and I saw a message from Rachel saying that you are the father of our unborn baby. You know what? I just wanted to be very sure who the father really is.
Then how do you know I was the father? How?
Yes, I had a private meeting with Frank and he told me everything. He told me that he was impotent because of an accident he had years ago and it affected him, according to medical reports. And guess what? I am pregnant.
You're pregnant? Why did you tell me?
Please, you're not the father. Yeah?
Hey.
He is.
You bastard!
Oh, please!
Sleeping with my girlfriend.
No, and you're sleeping with mine. And I know you got her pregnant. Oh, you think I didn't know? I've known for a very, very long time.
Larry. Janetta here is pregnant for Frank. It has been confirmed. And here is the result.
Baby, you knew all this, why?
Yes, of course I did. When Janetta came to me with the information, I couldn't believe her myself, so she brought that proof.
Wow. I thought I was impotent.
Of course you're not. You're not. Larry, I know Frank having intimacy with your supposed fiancé was wrong, all right? I apologize on his behalf. But this is all your fault. You started this. Frank, You remember the accident you had while we were in school? Larry actually paid someone to kill you. Yes, he wanted your girlfriend, Yemi. And I wonder why he always wants what belongs to you, even when he has everything at his disposal. Everything. Why? Larry, why are you this evil? Why are you wicked? You wanted to kill your best friend because of a woman? Larry! Anyways, General Day was also planted here. Her real name is Merit Oval. Hi, Merit. She decided to play along when I told her the story of how wicked and mean you are. So...
I'm sorry. You are not worth it. In fact, you look like SpongeBob SquarePants.
This was all a game. All of this. Nothing is real. Larry, my name is Ray. I run the circle. And the circle is broken.
Was I a game too?
Rachel. You're not a game. You are a disappointment. Baby, let's go.
See what I've done to myself. See what I've done to myself. What I've done to myself. I can't believe I'm in this. I can't believe.
Don't you dare touch
me. I can't believe I'm going through this.
Bastard.
Oh, cause it wasn't part of my plans. Oh, yeah. Yes, it wasn't part of my plans. I allowed myself to be carried away with my emotions. Oh, no going back, no going front. Oh, I'm in mess right now. Oh, yeah. And who's gonna save me? Who's gonna let me out? Oh, yeah. Cause I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. What a life. What a life. What a life. What a life. Oh, what a life. What a life. What a life. Oh, what a life. Ooh, what a life. Oh, what a life. You have it all, but still won't allow your friends to breathe at all. What a selfish life. Oh, would I say, what do you stand to gain? Oh, what a life. What a life. What a life. What a life. What a